There's a difference between self-love and self-worship. Now, a lot of us feel like we love ourselves, but actually what we do is we worship ourselves. Self-worship says, this is me, deal with it. If you want to be in a relationship with me. Self-worship is all about the ego. It keeps us stuck. This is me. That's just who I am. A lot of us live out our past traumas and we feel like that is who we are, or we think that is who we are. And since we also worship ourselves, we don't allow ourselves to grow or to be better. Self-worship keeps us in stasis. It tries to force everyone around us to adjust to who we are if they want to be in a relationship with us. Self-love is willing to look at oneself and say, how can I be better? How can I grow? How can I be more loving? You see self-love? Self-love is powerful.